What if I told you may property tayo dito sa South na malamig, tahimik, at perfect para sa peaceful kind of you'll always wanted? Imagine, paglabas mo ng bahay mo or ng property mo, tanaw mo na yung Tagaytay, and sa kabilang side naman, nandyan na si Nuvali. Green surroundings, malamig yung simoy ng hangin, tahimik pero accessible. Sounds perfect, right? If you're someone na naghahanap or nagpaplanong mag-retire soon, or gusto mong mag-invest habang maaga, stay tuned because this video might be for you. Hi everyone, I'm Christina Barro, your Prestige Properties, your property guide here in the South. And today, we'll bring you to the hidden gem inside Southmont Estate in Silang, Cavite, the beautiful Berdea by Albeo Land. So this month is October na, and ramdam naman natin na yung simoy ng hangin, amihan season na, and syempre mararamdaman mo na pag dito ka sa Pilipinas yung malamig na simoy ng hangin kapag Christmas na. So what is Southmont? It's an 800-hectare master planned estate by Ayala Land and Catay Land, two of biggest developers in the country, kaya alam mong future-proof and world-class ang development. This is actually the fourth largest Ayala estate after the Nuvali, Bermosa, and the Arca South. And it's right here in Silang, Cavite. From Nuvali, around 10 minutes drive lang, and from here, 20 minutes going to Tagaytay. Kaya naman imagine the location, nasa gitna ka ng dalawang sikat na lifestyle spot dito sa South. And that's what makes Southmont so special. You know, many of our clients abroad, madalas nilang sabihin, Christine, gusto ko ng tahimik, malamig, pero malapit sa convenience. And honestly, Berdea and Southmont is exactly that. Because what is Nuvali today? Malls, business districts, schools, that's the future of Southmont. And alam naman natin si Ayala, hindi yan basta-basta nag-i-start ng estate. Once they begin, tuloy-tuloy yan with the road networks, bike trails, lifestyle hubs, everything planned perfectly. So if you're investing now, you're investing before the boom, you're ahead of everyone, and that's how investors make their move. The first project inside Southmont is Hillside Ridge by Albeo, launched last 2018, and it has a 41 hectares, low density, with that signature Albeo exclusivity. When you enter at the Hillside Ridge, mararamdaman mo agad yung elevation, rolling terrain, mountain views, and the peaceful silence that remind you this is home. Lots here ranges from 278 to 652, but for now, sold out na tayo dito. But the good thing, mayroon tayong minsan na re-open dito, so kung may naghahanap kayo ng mga ready-to-build lots, pwede pa rin nating makonsider itong ating Hillside Ridge. And then, after the Hillside Ridge, we have the Berdea. So Berdea is established last 2022, and this is a 24-hectare community, elevated and beautifully designed for those who valued peace, space, and nature. From here, you can see the Laguna de Bay view. So yan, makikita nyo naman. So since mataas yung location natin, matatanaw nyo na yan dito, and the Tagaytay, and the Silang, Cavite. Yung hangin talaga mararamdaman nyo rin kung gaano kalamig dito sa Berdea. So lots here we're offering, and the starting price of 13 million with the sizes ranges of 253 to 497 square meter. So imagine waking up in the morning, so pagsikat ng araw, matatanaw nyo na siya. So yung mga mountains, andyan na, makikita nyong view here in Berdea. And soon magkakaroon pa tayo ng sports club, church, and bike trails here in Southmont. So whether you want to stay active or just enjoy the slow, peaceful life, this place gives you both. For many of clients abroad, this is not just a property, it's the realization of years of hard work, a place to finally call home. And guess what? Alveo is launching a new project soon here in Southmont. Kaya if you missed the Hillside Ridge, Berdea before, so this is your chance to start early. So right now, here in Berdea, lots ranges we're offering is from 43,000 to 50,000 per square meter, still below what we expected to reach in the next few years. So if you're thinking investing, now is the perfect timing. Hindi mo na kailangang hintayin na maging fully develop ang area kasi by then baka mas mataas na yung value ng property. So imagine in Nuvali, talaga namang napakataas na ng mga property natin. So if you're looking for a property, tahimik, malamig, and the long-term value, this is it. Berdea gives you both worlds, peaceful suburbans, life, and access to modern South lifestyle. Right now, we're here at Block 7, one of the most prime exclusive areas here in Berdea. This block is perfectly walking distance to the secondary gate and just few steps away lang from the clubhouse, making it one of the convenience spots inside the village. So upon viewing, ipapakita namin sa inyo ito. Ang maganda pa rito for this block, wala kayong katalikuran, and ang advantage pa, you have the linear park. And what makes it even special? So makikita nyo na talaga yung park. So pag gising nyo sa umaga, you wake up with the refreshing green view, no back-to-back houses, just open space and nature. Here at Block 7, lot sizes ranges from 427 up to 493 square meter. Kaya yung tipo mo na gusto mong maluwag yung space mo, talagang yung mga kids mo, meron silang paglalaruan. So this lot sizes, napakagandang opportunity or pagpilian natin when it comes here in Berdea. Plus, from here, you get the beautiful view of Laguna de Bay. Since elevated ang area, presko talaga yung hangin. Now, because this is a prime location, price per square meter starts around 50,000, while other lots in this village around 42,000 per square meter. That tells how the value this block is, not just for living but also a long-term investment. So imagine spending your mornings with a cup of coffee, your afternoons walking through tree-lined streets, and your weekends a short drive to Tagaytay or Nuvali. This is the life waiting you here. So don't wait. If you're interested here in Berdea and you want to know more the details we're offering, so don't hesitate to message us and we'll guide you for every step of the way. So by the way guys, it's Cristina Barro from Prestige Properties, your property guide here in the South. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon on my next one. See you!